Hey everyone, my name is Kishan. Today I am going to teach you something that coder always do mistake. This is a silly mistake they are doing. My topic is test multiple variables against a value. So suppose that there is a variable called a equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to 30, and we have to compare this variable with a single value like a equal if a or b or c is equal to 40. Now print inside. Now if we run this code, we get if condition true. So this is a silly mistake coder always do. So we can tackle this problem using two methodology. So I am going to teach you one by one. First is that we have to compare single variable with that value. This is a tedious, but second method is good. But let first take this one. If a equal to 50 or b equal to 50 or c equal to 50. So if oh, so here we see that none of the variable a, b, c is 50. So I am getting it true. So it print true value, and if else condition we can print success. So here we see that this is the methodology where a, b and c separately compare with the value, but this is very tedious job because as a variable increase, suppose that there are lots of variable called 5 variable. Today there is 5 variable, and in after a 1 week we have to define a new variable. So making condition, adding more and more, it very tedious job. So we have to find another way so that it become quick and easy for doing the coding. So this is the another way I am doing for tackling that. This is if 50 in a comma b comma c. B make ABC as a tuple. So here we print. So here the output is true because 50 is not for A, B, C. But if we change it to 20, it come to inside. So now suppose that after a week there is third variable D, where D is equal to 40, and we have to put this condition to the same condition. So we simply add this D. So our time saves. So this is the condition. Here we can also do this by using making the variable as a list or making the variable as a set. So we can make this by making the variable as a and the third we can also do this by making it as a list. So whatever method you can adopt, this is a great method you can adopt. This is a great method you can adopt to tackle this kind of problem. Thank you. Have a nice day.